Hello, friends. My name is Alexander. I am the director CEO of Skriptx. So there have been a lot of questions about why you need to do intern with Skriptx. Okay, so I thought it's better we provide you with a video description about why you need to do intern with Skriptx. Right. So coming to the first point, let me try to shorten the points very quick. Okay. The first point will be learning and growth opportunities. Okay, apart from your educational background, from your college or school, whatever you learn, okay, there are some things that are totally different from the industry. Okay, so we will guide you how industry works. For example, in our software development, okay, the day starts with a stand up call. Okay, so there will be a person who we call it as a scrum master. Okay, so he will define the task to you, and then the next day you come up and then you define the you give a status update about the task to the scrum master. Okay, so this is how we work every day. Okay, so these kind of workflow will be practiced to you. Okay, that's the first advantage. So what is the industry standard? Okay, what we work is totally different. Okay, personally what a specific person works is totally different, but in this case what we will be doing is we will be teaching you what is an industry standard. Okay, how multiple developers come together and then they share the code. Okay, how the concept is being splitted between the developers and how they are combining back the same concept into one single code base. Okay, for that there are different tools have been used like GitHub and then Bitbucket. So those tools, working with those tools, we will give you an opportunity. Okay, again this those are all open source. Even if you want, you can go sign up and then start using them, but still we will guide you how to use that specific tool. Okay, each tool has its own importance. Okay, so with GitHub also you can do the project management tool, but when it comes to project management, we always suggest you to go with Jira or GitLab. Okay, so we will tell you why or what are all the which tool to pick for what purpose. Okay, so that will be a biggest advantage for you being an internship with us. Okay, and coming to the coding developments. Okay, so we will guide you to the professional development stage. Okay, for example, there are different kind of frameworks. Okay, so let's say you can take in CSS framework, you can take bootstrap, you can take bulma, there is foundation. Okay, so depending on the projects, we sometimes we prefer to go with the vanilla CSS itself. Okay, so depending on the project, okay, depending on the requirement, which framework to choose. Okay, so all this information will be given to you when you join as an intern with us. Okay, again there are frameworks like JavaScript frameworks. Okay, so like say you would have heard about Angular, React. Okay, so we will guide you for which project, for which job you need to take Angular, for which job we prefer you to go, we ask you to go with Java's React. Okay, okay, there will be some projects which will be very simple. Okay, like they will be giving a minimum viable product. On that, if you don't want to go and start with an Angular job. Okay, it's totally irrelevant. Okay, so then you go with the backend, like simply with the backend like Laravel. Sorry, not Laravel, also very big. Okay, we have our own framework. Okay, so all these things we will guide you which when to use. Okay, so that's the main advantage for you when you join as an intern with us. Okay, so once you join as an intern with us, you will be asked to enroll. Okay, so with a minimum charge. Okay, the reason for that enrollment is, so once you join us, you can be with us till you prefer. Okay, so minimum 7 days where you will be trained to work with us. Okay, so what are all the procedures we follow in real time, so those procedures you will get practice to it. Okay, after that you can take a number of tasks with us. You can ask us, okay, I'm free now, I don't want to waste my time. Okay, if it is paid opportunity or unpaid opportunity, it depends on the time period. Okay, so you can ask us. So once you have enrolled with us, we will give you that opportunity. Okay, so to give an opportunity, we need to know whether the person is specifically capable or not. Okay, so for that only we ask you to enroll. Okay, so again, working with us, we will not concentrate you, we will not put you to learn only one technology. Okay, so for example, some internships, like if you go there, there'll be one core subject, okay, and then if it is Angular or React or PHP or Express, whatever it may be, okay, so you will be completely coding only on that, but it is not the case with us, okay. Say for example, in real-time projects, like sometimes we take admin dashboards kind of, okay, so those are reporting, okay, so we sometimes we do it with Angular, sometimes we do it with React, okay, so it depends on the project to project case basis, okay. So you will get used to multiple tools, okay, that's the advantage with us while going with doing project with us, okay. Right. So again, as I said before, you will get access to cutting it live projects, okay. So remember, I repeat the word, those are all live projects. You can use it in your resume, okay, and we will let you to in, interact with the client. So you speak with the client, you take the requirement, you come back with us again, we will also be there, okay. So you come back with us with the solution, okay, this is what we are going to do, we will guide you, okay. It will be entirely on your product, not your product, your set of code, but it will be integrated into our product, okay. So that's the advantage, okay. Right. So coming to company reputation and values, we are in the market from 2008. Okay, we have completed a long list of projects which you can go through our website. Okay, and we have made a wonderful impact on multiple research institutes. Okay, so those things are available on our Skriptx website. Okay, and networking opportunities which are very important for your career growth as well as your personal growth. Okay, so we will provide you multiple sessions apart from being a client or consultant. Okay, so they will mentor you. Okay, so the mentors are not some people who work 24 by 7. Okay, the mentors, what I speak is, they are doctorates. Okay, and their core research is on development of education standards. Okay, so they will mentor you, they will bridge the gap between, as a learner from your perspective, as a employer from my perspective, okay. So their responsibility, they took the responsibility, they will bridge the gap. So they will give you, so that they will make sure, okay, the doctors, they will make sure that you get maximum benefit out of us, okay. So that's our main uh, concern of these programs, okay. Right. So again, as I said before, you'll get a real-time application development. Okay, and you get a proper mentorship from us, and that will be useful on a career advancement. Okay, which you can display to your interview panel. Okay, so most of the projects you will work, and then you'll say, no, no, we were actually trying to fill out the form. No, this is not the case here. Okay, you can show them the code. Okay, like the projects only, we will give it to you. Okay, again, there will be some internal projects. Okay, those codes you cannot show to them. But apart from that, we will ask you to code for an open source project, also multiple open source projects where you can show the codes to them. Okay, so that culture will be very good. Okay, so everything starts with the collaboration here. So there is no individual leadership responsibility. Okay, all the responsibilities will be splitted. Okay, so you will be given a responsibility. If you are not able to do that, we will try to sit with you. Okay, we will try to sit with you. We will make sure that you complete that specific task, okay, as long as you are interested. Okay, that point is, we are very clear on that. Okay, and your contributions, we will make sure they are valued. Okay, it's not like no, no, if somebody came and they, no, we will not do that. Okay, we will create a valued contribution from your end. Okay, so that is our responsibility. All right, so again, we will give you the best to learn from here, and you will get a better soft skills development. Okay, so we will invite multiple speakers. Okay, so you can speak with them, you can get what are the current today's, what are the projects they are working on, what is the recent technology, or what the latest issue they faced. All this information you can get it from them. All right, guys. So wish you a good luck. So try to join as an intern with us and have a good day. Thanks, guys.